Hi, Cree from nuCamp RV, product specialist. This week I want to talk to you about the black trim edge. I've been hearing a lot of cases where it'll actually lift up and separate from the trim itself. I wouldn't worry too much about this. It's an aesthetic piece, but it is a little unsightly. So if you do want to fix that, you're going to need black weatherstrip adhesive, and you're going to need to pull the actual edge away from the trim just to release it. And you're gonna see some gaps in the edge itself. Kind of looks like little teeth inside the gap. You're gonna put your weatherstrip adhesive in there, then you're gonna push it back in. And then that's gonna be a permanent fix. You shouldn't have that anymore. So I'm talking about the strip right inside the trim here. If you have any questions on that, you can get a hold of me at tech@nucamprv.com. Thank you and have a good day.